Hi guys, how we doing tonight? This county guy, I wanted to show you some of my pickups from today. I had a I hit a huge score today. A ton of Zippo lighters, a ton of hats, some die-cast stuff, and some other stuff. But I'm going to show you the Zippos right now. They're really cool. I spent a total of $255 today, and roughly I paid $3 or less on these Zippos. Some of them are worth quite a bit of money. But let's get started here and go through them. Got this one here. Not really sure what that one is. NASCAR Zippo. These are all new in box. Camel Joe playing the pool. Swisher Sweets. Marble. NASCAR checkered flag. I'm not too sure on that one. Dale Earnhardt, Senior. Another Swisher Sweet. Another NASCAR one. That one. Not sure. It's got a half a moon on it. That one. We got a camel one. Dale Earnhardt, the Intimidator. Camel Moon, it says. That's the same as the other one. Grand Victoria Casino. Smokin' Joe's. Daytona 500. These tags, I went to a estate sale, a guy died, I guess he must have had a flea market booth or something. These tags are what he priced it at, and it's also got the description of what they are on it, which helps me a lot because I don't know a lot about these. 25th anniversary Winston Cup lighter. Looks like that. Another Grand Victoria one. Not sure on that one. Brickyard 400. Dale Earnhardt. Smokin' Joe. Racing. Let's see what he had on that one. He had $40 on that one. I'm not too sure on that one, just a fancy design. Intimidator, or yeah, Earnhardt. There's one that looks like a phone. There's a couple Miller Lite bottles. There's a Turkish blend lighter with the tin. He was asking $65 on that one. Here's some real cool ones. This is a collection of volume 1 of the state quarters. It looks like they've been selling on eBay for about $70 for volume 1. The higher volume, I guess there's like 5 or 6 volumes, and the higher volume, some of them are going $110, $120, but that's still good. And here's the Olympic collection from 1996, Atlanta, and it's got these older World's Fair Olympics, Lake Placid, I think it was 82, I think. And then these other Olympic ones here. Atlanta, Lake Placid, Winter Games. Really cool. This, I did a search on eBay. This is selling right around $150. It's been sold several times. And here's probably the best set on the whole thing. These are warplanes, and it's a set of 8, and they've been selling on eBay right at $200 for the set of 8. P40, P42, F40, P51, A6M0, and something JU87 Scuba, and these last two, well, you can see them. And then besides all that, I still got all these, which there's a ton of them here. Got a collector's tin. Somebody can put his own collection in. And then there's just some more here. I got about 70 of them all together. I'm not going to go through all of them. I can't open these things up one-handed. But that's it for right now. It was a great auction. This was a country auction that was on Auction Zip. Didn't have no pictures on the auction site, but I read through the descriptions, and I said they had a huge, it was a big collector. It was a big, mainly tools they were advertising, but you read into the small print and you see collectibles, big NASCAR collection, big Zippo collection, die cast. They had a whole bunch of Franklin Mint and Danbury Mint die cast. I would have loved to buy them, but they were all going for 50 to 60 a piece, and I wasn't willing to gamble that much because I'm cheap. But I'm probably going to sell one or two things out of this and have all my money back recouped on this. And I've got a huge garbage bag of ball caps I haven't even gotten into yet that I paid a whole $1 for, but they made me take a big old stack of curtain rods with it, which I didn't even want, but I took them anyways. But I'm going to fill a dumpster up with those. And I'll try to make another video on the hats when I get to them. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good day. Thanks.